Hello, welcome back. This is Onyx Food Hill. Please do remember to subscribe to our channel, like this video and also share it. Today I'll be making egg stew. This is a very popular stew we serve at breakfast, and you only need just few ingredients for this, which are very common. Egg stew can be served with boiled rice or with yam. It's a very nice recipe for breakfast. So if you want to see how I make my egg stew, I urge you to keep watching this. You will need some chopped tomatoes. This is about 4 pieces, 3 eggs, chopped onions. This is just a medium size, minced garlic, just about 3, scotch bonnets, about 2 pieces. You will need a teaspoon of dry thyme, a teaspoon of curry powder and 1 stock cube. Now to make this stew, bring the minced garlic into the oil. Add also the chopped onions. I use about ½ cup of oil. You're going to fry this for a minute until the onions is translucent. After a minute, you're going to add in the chopped tomatoes and fry as well. Then you also add in the chopped pepper. Then you are going to cover the lid, then leave this to cook for about 5 minutes until the tomatoes turns out very soft. And when you come back to this, you stir this properly so it doesn't stick at the bottom. Then you need to season it with dry thyme and the curry powder and also 1 stock cube with a pinch of salt just to taste. After you've added all this, you're going to stir this, then leave this to cook for another 2 minutes. While you're leaving the sauce to cook, you're going to crack the egg, then you're going to beat it and also add a pinch of salt to the egg, then beat it very well. Then you're going to bring the egg you've beaten into the contents. Just spread it a little bit so it covers the tomatoes and everything. Then you are not going to stir this immediately. You will leave this to set for about 2 minutes. You can tilt the pan so the egg goes round. So once the egg has become solidified, you are going to stir this. So you just leave this to cook for a few seconds, then your egg stew is ready. So guys, thank you so much for watching. This was my simple way of preparing egg stew. Obviously, I love my egg stew with boiled rice. You can still pair this with boiled plantain, boiled yam or some sweet potatoes. I hope you love my egg stew. If you do, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, share the video with your friends. Until next time, have a wonderful day. Bye.